वेलकम बैक टू MVP इनसाइट। आज हम न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे। हार्डवेयर न्यूज़ एपिसोड 3, स्टे ट्यून्ड। तो ताज़ा खबर की सबसे पहली ताज़ा खबर, इंटेल GPUs लीक्ड अगेन। Intel's Xe HPG DG2 GPU with 128 EUs, 1024 cores, clocked at 2.2 GHz spotted. The benchmarks are on your screen. We don't know how legit they are, but they are. They are. कुछ तो है मतलब. So Intel launches Thunderbolt 5. Intel unveils Thunderbolt 5 with PAM3 modulation and up to 80 GB per second bandwidth. I don't know what that means, but news guys. So next news is not a hardware news, it is more or less a gaming news. Konami, developers of PES, have coming up with a new game called eFootball. It is not exclusive to any platform yet. They are making it for console, PCs and mobile devices as well. So yeah, game hai, khelo. Okay, so next update, Windows 11 is out on the beta program. If you are on the beta program from Microsoft, you can put Windows 11 in your system. Make sure your Windows 10 is up to date. फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा steps है वो follow करोगे तो you can put Windows 11 in your system. Good news, I know. Thank you. Okay, final news of the day. Facebook bans 13-year-olds like they even existed there anymore. कौन यूज कर रहा है अब Facebook आजकल?
Almost a decade late to what they're supposed to be doing.
Yeah, exactly, a decade late for what they. Shit, bro. फिर मैं नहीं यूज कर पाता था Facebook. This news comes from thehansindia.com saying Facebook developing AI technology to ban 13-year-olds on Facebook. Hope they bring it to Instagram too, is all we can say. So thank you for watching, guys. Very good video. I know this your host. It just kills it. I know. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. You know what to do. अच्छा बनाते.
Can I take the Mountain Dew now? Excuse me?
नमस्कार, आप सबका स्वागत है MVP इनसाइट के. अरे मॉर्निंग को हिंदी में क्या बोलते?
Subha.
गुड इवनिंग इन हिंदी. थिक बॉय.
No cases were harmed during the filming of this video.